Look what came in the mail, guys. Look what came in the mail. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Ooh, you guys are so glam. So glam. Carpe Diem by IPSY. Ooh, what's the back of this say? So it says, okay, this is our story. Now create your story. And here's some places to go. Okay. OMG, look at this bag. Oh, girl, that's cute. It's cute. That's cute. That's cute. It's cute. It's cute.
That's cute.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can take this out a night out on the dance floor and just have a little clutch with me. Doubt it. Alright, looks like this is what I got. Alright, first item we have. Oh, girl, what's that?
Girl, what's that?
Looks like.
What's that?
Don't mind my fingernails. They look nasty, I know. Ooh, Liquid Velvet by C8 London. Cute. So it's just like a lip gloss or whatever. Like, how I think cute is that? Next item we have. Ooh, something by NYX. The cute bow. That is cute.
It's cute.
Seriously cute. Looks like it's Fireball. It's probably like just some powder, you know, like use it as eyeshadow. You can use it as probably blush, whatever. Next we have OMG. It's Tarte. So it looks like this is in a 6-week consumer study, blah blah blah, formulated without this stuff. That's good. Let's look and see what this is. Let's just open it. Like, just humor me. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited to use this. It's Maracuja oil. I don't know if I said that right, and I really don't care. But it looks like this oil is like good for like anything. Like your skin, your hair, your nails. Oh my gosh. And it just comes with this little like, just drop it all over. Oh my gosh, give it to me. I'm so happy. Like, I've been kind of obsessed with oils lately. So this is perfect to add to my collection of oils. Yes!
Yes!
Alright, let's see. What else we got in the bag? Ooh, is this some hand cream or something? It's Nourishing Argan Mark Anthony. You can get this crap at Target, really. Of Morocco. Good. Okay. Protects color. It's a deep hydrating conditioning treatment. I mean, I'll use it, so whatever. And last but not least, because we'll have some stuff like next month. Eyeliner. Hikari. In the back of the wiki. And that was it, loves. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get your IPSY bag next month.